99.8 and 99.9 only thousandths difference, but basically they mean two different melamine products. Normally, 99 means melamine produced with high pressure tech, which is from Europe. 99.8 means melamine produced with low pressure tech, which is Chinese local tech. The whole processing system are different. Low pressure tech reduced the product cost. Market price is more competitive than high pressure melamine. Different techs also make different appearance. High pressure melamine tends bigger size than low pressure, with better powder flow rate. But for some special products like fireproof textile, what requires super fine powder, then only low pressure melamine can meet requirement. High pressure melamine has a bigger density with a bigger loading quantity in 20-feet container. Generally speaking, high pressure melamine has higher quality, higher purity, whiter color. Many end users prefer high pressure melamine, like in tableware industry or some industries has high requirement on purity. But with the low pressure tech improved, the quality advantage of high pressure melamine is turning smaller and smaller. For both industries, like MDF, impregnated paper, tableware, both high and low pressure melamine can be used. Low pressure melamine are taking a much bigger market due to bigger production capacity and competitive price. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about melamine, welcome to leave a message under this video or contact us with below email. See you next time.